Hello friends, it arrived! My Nikon Z7 is in this box. Let's open it up, and I want to take a few photos with it and I'll just have a little general chit chat while I'm opening this up. So this morning I posted a Friday rewind, as I do every Friday, and I realized that the last camera that I got was the Nikon D500. So I found one of the first photo shoots that I did with the D500, which was actually a fun like action shoot in the rain. XQD card, 64 gigs. And that was my rewind. So if you all are interested in that, it was a cool shoot because it did rain and we had to definitely had to go with the flow on that because rain had not been forecasted. But if you want to check that out, there's a link down in the description below to it. I'll put a link down there. And members, while you're there, there is like a whole behind the scenes video and a gallery. It's like 30 minutes of behind the scenes and images. So, and if you aren't a member, why not? You should check this out. You can click the join button, or there's a link down in the description below. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, guys. Now, interestingly, it's also a strange a strange day here in northern Arizona. There are FTZ mount. There's controlled burns going on right now, and they're like completely on the other side of town. So I didn't think that they would be. Hold on. I didn't think that they would affect this area. Like they are completely on the other side of town. But no, they have affected this area and it's super smoky. So I actually had planned on taking photos of the painted desert, but you can't really see the painted desert right now, I don't think. We'll see once this is all done. And we're losing light quickly. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have the Z7 and the 24-70 f4 lens in here and the adapter. Yay! There's a lot of boxes. What should we do first? Let's do the lens first. Okay. Ready, everybody? Ooh, it's sleeping bag. I'll open that later. And here we go. I haven't had one of these in my hands yet at all. So I'm like the actual size and everything is going to be a little bit of a, a surprise. Yeah, look at this. This is so cute and clean. It's never going to be this clean again. It's beautiful. Let's look at it. Ooh. 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 Okay. Moving on. Flies all around me, you guys. Flies everywhere. Let's do the body. Opening her up. Ooh, the warranty thing. I have to make sure to do that later. Do you guys do your warranties online or do you send in the little papers now? I do them all online now. I like it. Makes it a lot easier. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh, I don't think the battery's in it, so it's pretty light right now, but oh, it's pretty. It's pretty. I better go and see what else is in the box before I before I actually mount the lens and put the battery in and everything. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this strap. I guess I saw this online. It's loud. It is bright yellow and black. Wow. Wowie, wow, wow, wow. Just in case you wanted to show off that you're shooting with one of the new Nikon mirrorless bodies. I always use the whatever came with the camera, so I guess I will be. Okay, so here's the USB-C cable. I like that you can actually charge the camera using the cable. I'm sorry, I'm having to shoo away flies, you guys. However, I believe this must be the battery charger. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh no, wait, this is a plug into the wall USB-C. This is a USB-C to USB regular. And where's my battery? I want to put it in the camera. More stuff for your cables. And okay, so here's the battery charger. Looks, you know, just like my battery chargers for my D500, D810, D800 V1s. Okay, here's the battery. This is the ENEL15B battery, and it is just, oh, it's gray. I thought it would be black. I guess I never saw a picture of it on the interwebs. I like that these are backwards compatible because I have a D500, I have a D810, I have V1s. I'll be able to use this battery in the other ones. I can use those batteries in this camera, but I just won't have as good battery life. I have a lot of those batteries, like I have like 7 or 8 of them, so that'll be nice. Okay, battery is in. Let's mount the lens, and then we can see if there's any juice in her. If not, never fear. I brought this. Have y'all seen this? I made a video about this earlier this week. Check that out. All right. Oh my, you guys. Ooh, that was a nice little click. Now I had heard somebody say that they didn't like the way the lens felt, but I don't know. Feels good to me. All right, so I just turned it on for the first time. Let's see. Oh, recharge battery. Okay, well, I'm going to have to charge the battery, but just to get us started, I happen to have, pause. I happen to have some ENEL15 batteries that we can at least use for now. Okay, so let me just give you my first impressions. It feels good. Ooh, I like how the zoom locks into place. Somehow that little detail had escaped me as well, but it does lock into place. So if I have this around my neck or on my shoulder, it's not going to just like, you know, zoom without me knowing. All right, guys, I am going to go take some pictures. My initial thoughts so far are that I like holding it in my hands. I'm going to put this memory card in there before I try to take pictures. Oops, I forgot to open up the FTZ adapter. Let's get this guy opened up too, because I did actually bring my 200 to 500 f5.6 lens with me on this outing. So yeah, looks like an adapter. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will be back. I have a whole plan with how I'm gonna do the review of this. Recently I shared a video, I think earlier this week, about how I'm going to fit my gear reviews into my actual light art photography projects rather than the other way around, which is kind of how I had gotten into doing things. So with this, I am going to create individual projects for it in my reviewing of the camera, and then I will share a full review of it. So definitely make sure you're subscribed, make sure you follow me on social media, because this is pretty much not going to leave my hands. Maybe even not when I'm sleeping. I don't think it will fit under my pillow, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll put a link to this down in the description below as well, and I'll talk to you soon.
Mm-hmm.